Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to be throwing away back with South Carolina chicken stew. Yeah, I'm sure y'all eat this all over the world, but not sure how you do it. The way we do it here is with a milk base. Some people do it with red, with tomato base or whatever, and that's good too. But I'm just going to be showing you a real simple one. Just simple ingredients. We got potatoes, onions, butter, corn, chicken, and a little bit of bouillon. I've already made my broth. Now, most people, you know how to make a broth, but I took 2 big old honking leg quarters and filled this up with water. I've already picked the chicken. Look how rich that broth is. So good. And I threw a big old onion in there and a little celery seed. I didn't have any celery. And a little bit of this chicken bouillon, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. That's my broth, okay? It's nice and flavorful. You don't want to put a lot of salt in it because this has salt. And I still may add a little bit of this in here so it's not super salty. All right, y'all. You ready to get this done, Russell?
I'm ready.
Ready to get your stretchy pants on and a spoon. That's all you're going to need when we do it.
I'm ready.
All right, let's do it. All right, y'all. I've got my little broth. Got everything over here. Done moved over. And, I did save my package. I'm using cream corn. This is the little packaged cream corn. I like this because it has a little thickness to it, but you can do canned corn, any kind of corn, honey, that you want. But I'm gonna actually measure this. I'm gonna start with about 6 cups of broth. I'm telling you what, this broth is so good. Even when you feel bad, just a little chicken broth, a little sipping on it. I'm gonna lose count. 5, 6, and I'm gonna probably need more than that. But anyway, we're gonna keep it handy right here. And I'm gonna put a stick of butter. Yes, honey, a stick of butter. That's what it calls for. Now I'm also using milk. A lot of people around our parts use the evaporated milk. They use about 2 cans of that. But I am using milk. I didn't have any evaporated milk, and it's gonna be just fine, honey. If it's too loose for you, you can add your little, make your little slurry with a little cornstarch and a little water and add it in there. You can add a little heavy whipping cream and whip it up, or you can mash up some of these little potatoes when they get done. That's one way of when you use potatoes. If you wanna thicken something up, just mash a few of the potatoes, honey. It thickens it right up. All that starch in that potato. I've washed and cut my potatoes. I got about 3 medium potatoes. I got an onion going in. A little good old Vidalia going in. And I have got that corn. Get that corn in there. Like I said, you can use the canned corn. I just like that little smooth and the little sweetness to it. Thickens it up just a little bit. Like I said, this is going to be a white sauce. Now I'm gonna let this just simmer away.
Get happy.
Yes, it's gonna get real happy. I'm gonna add some more black pepper in it. And that broth is good. I'm not gonna really mess with nothing else in that. We're just going to boil this down. You know what? I think I'll go ahead and put my chicken in there just so it's...
Flavor.
Yes.
Get the flavor.
It's already a going and doing, honey. It's already... Listen. This chicken didn't have no idea what kind of star it was going to be. Star of our suppers was going to be. But go ahead and dump that in there. Now we've got everything in our pot except the milk. So I'm just going to let this... cook a little bit, and then we'll add some of that little milk. But I'm gonna let these potatoes get nice and tender. And look at it. It's already, look at there. It's already getting real friendly.
Looking good.
Looking good. All right, I am gonna taste it. Ain't nothing in here that's bad for me. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna add just a little more. I think I'm gonna add a little more, instead of salt, I'm going to add just a little bit more of this bouillon, about a tablespoon more. Now, you make your little broth however you want to do it. But I told y'all how I did mine. And we'll let this just cook, get happy, and I'll let you know when those little potatoes are getting tender. Alright, it's been cooking about 5 minutes, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and just add the milk. We're going to start with about 2 cups of milk. She's all sassy over here, honey. She popping and doing the most. Alright, look at that creamy texture. Like I said, you can use the evaporated milk or a little cream, heavy whipping cream in here too. But we're just going to let that cook until all them little taters is tender and it all is incorporated and happy. Alright, y'all, this little chicken stew is ready for the tasting.
Ready for the getting.
Yeah, get it while it's good.
Yeah, get it while it's hot.
Mm-hmm. And it is hot.
It is hot. She's smoking.
Right out the pot hot.
Y'all, I love me some milk-based stew.
Me too.
I do, yep.
It's almost like chicken and dumplings, but with just taters, ain't it?
Yeah, it is.
A lot like it.
Yeah. Ain't nothing better than the fall. Get some good old stew in the pot.
It is. It's just it just hits your belly different, don't it?
Yeah.
I
like the red chicken stew too, but there's something about that milk stew.
It is good, good. I will say I should have waited a little while before I put the chicken in because the chicken cooked up.
Oh, I don't mind it.
But I don't mind it.
It's almost hashy.
It is.
You know how hash cooks down?
I do.
Yeah. It's almost that way.
I sure do.
Well, it's almost that
I
way.
know.
Well, a lot of, around here, up here, they don't cook it down like that.
But I wish I'd just waited a little bit on the chicken. But them potatoes
ain't
are
nothing wrong with that. I'm
it's
telling you.
Got a little touch of sweetness, don't it?
Ain't nothing
that
wrong
corn.
with that.
And it's good stuff.
Yeah.
It's good. We got some biscuits cooking to go with them.
Yeah.
And you can top it with some cornbread or whatever you want.
This bowl kind of reminds me of my old buddy Country.
With the turtle stew.
He has a turtle stew every fall.
Turtle stew.
Yeah, Country, if you watch it. I need an invite, man. It's been a while. Yeah, if you're still doing your turtle stews,
holler at us.
Yeah, holler at us.
I'll bring the cupcakes.
I'll bring the camera and I'll let her make some. We'll make a batch of cupcakes. I'll put you on TV. Yeah.
He loved the cupcakes.
That was he loved Rhonda's cupcakes. He went nuts. I mean, he was hoarding them cupcakes. He would put some of them out for the stew, and then he'd take about 12 for himself.
Put them back.
He would. Anyway, he had a milk-based recipe for his turtle stew, and it was really good, man. And I know a lot of y'all probably have.
Y'all going turtles?
Yeah, turtle. But yeah, down here we eat a turtle. We eat turtle stew. It was very good. A lot of the same ingredients, I think.
We eat a lot of stuff you might not eat.
Yeah. Hey, that's well, a guy named Country, you might expect him to make a turtle stew.
That's right.
Anyway, Country, if you're watching, there's your shout out.
Turtle stew.
Just checking to see if I get a text from you. I know you still watching.
That's right. But yeah, this is really good, y'all. And so especially this time of the year, honey. You can have it. I know everybody around here has bonfires and does all the things, honey. This is great. You can make you a big old pot.
Cooking outside, man. Cooking outside on a cool fall weekend day or Friday evening, or ain't nothing better. Ain't nothing better. Get some people together, play some music, man.
Do you, honey? Do you?
Yep.
But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching, hanging out with us, loving on us.
Yeah.
And I hope if you try this, y'all know the deal. Let me know.
We love them comments. Let us know.
Let me know in y'all's area. Do y'all eat the milk-based chicken stew or the red-based?
Yeah,
or
curious
chicken stew
about
at all.
it. Yeah. Or if you know anything about chicken stew.
Yeah, this is a good one.
Absolutely.
Give it a whirl.
Yeah.
And until next time.